John Whiteside, CEO of SageWest, and I would like to introduce a new provider that we have coming on board. Doc, want to introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm Dr. Christine Sjoquist. I'm coming here from Reno, Nevada most recently, where my husband and I spent the last 8 years. There I did medical school and residency in family medicine and then fellowship in sports medicine. But I grew up in Montana, so my husband and I have been coming here for some time. I started coming here in the year 2000, actually. We both are really into rock climbing.
Nice.
We like doing other stuff outside too, like hiking and hunting and fishing. So we've actually been hoping to come here for a long time.
Well, I'm glad she did. The community will be glad that you did. Tell us a little bit about the type of practice you're trying to build, the type of patients that you're going to help serve.
Sure. So my residency, like I said, was in family medicine. And so a lot of people don't know what family medicine is. And I think I think you can describe it by saying, I'm going to go see the doctor. So family medicine, we see the whole family, and that's a great way to describe it. We see babies, kids, adults, older people, and everything in between. So that could be going in for your wellness exam and what you're due for vaccines. It could also be, I have a cold or I don't feel well, and am I up to date on my cancer screenings? And then sports medicine is what I did fellowship in, and I love sports medicine. It's actually the reason I went into medicine. I spent a lot of years trying to do my own athletics as a runner and a rock climber, and I was injured a lot. Often would see doctors, and it turns out that a lot of doctors aren't that well trained in muscles, nerves, bones, and joints. And so I wanted to have more education in that so I could help people understand exactly what's happening in their bodies and why they might be hurting, what specifically is hurting, and how they can prevent that in the future.
From sports medicine, how would we know the difference between an ache and a reason to come see you?
Sure, I think that's a hard question, right? But if the ache keeps coming back no matter what you try, or if it's getting worse, or if you're starting to get other symptoms with it, come in and see me.
Fantastic.
I should add too that for sports medicine, you don't need to be an athlete. You don't have to be on the football team to come see me. You might just have a hard time getting off of the couch and your knee keeps bothering you, or you might be hoping to start training for a 5K, or just be able to go play with the grandkids.
Where do we find you?
So I am at the SageWest Clinic in Riverton.
Okay.
The number is 857-3488.
So that's the Wind River Clinic here in Riverton. We're glad you're here. We look forward to serving the community, and we look forward to building your practice.
Yeah, I look forward to seeing you.